Hey guys, it's lunchtime here in the math office. We're going to take a really quick look at alternate interior angles and same-side interior angles. I'm going to put the sandwich down for a second. Let me grab my marker. Alternate interior angles are a pair of angles formed by two parallel lines and a transversal, and they lie on the interior or in between the two parallel lines and on alternate or opposite sides of our transversal. Let me circle the pairs for you. 3 and 6 is one pair of alternate interior angles. And 4 and 5 are the other pair of alternate interior angles in this picture. Once again, notice that they lie in between or on the interior of the parallel lines, and they lie on opposite or alternate sides of the transversal. Let me change the picture and we'll take a look at same-side interior angles. Okay, same-side interior angles are two angles formed by two parallel lines and a transversal that also lie in between the two parallel lines, but lie on the same side of the transversal. So let's take a look at what the pairs are here. 3 and 5 are one pair of same-side interior angles. 4 and 6 are the other pair of same-side interior angles in this picture. Okay? The difference between same-side and alternate interior lies in where they lay on the transversal. 3 and 5 lay on the same side, so they're same-side interior angles, and 4 and 6 lie on the same side of the transversal, so they are also same-side interior angles. So that's a quick look at what these angles are, how they look in a diagram. Now let's do a quick problem where we have to do some algebra. Alright, now I've thrown in some variables, some algebraic expressions on the board. We're going to use a couple of theorems about our angle pairs to determine what x and y are equal to. First, there's the alternate interior angles theorem, or the AIA theorem. The AIA theorem states that if two angles are an alternate interior pair, then they are congruent to each other. So we can use that information to set up an equation. 5x equals 4x plus 5. Okay. Now we just have to do some algebra and solve for x. Subtract 4x off both sides. Oh, this is a simple one too. X equals 5. Alright, so we know what x is equal to. Now we have to figure out what y is. To do that, we're going to use the same-side interior angles theorem. The same-side interior angles theorem says that if two angles form a same-side interior pair, then they are supplementary. That is, their measures add up to 180 degrees. So we're going to use that fact here. Now we know that x is 5, so we're going to plug that in for x here. Let me set up this equation. 4 times 5, once again because we're plugging in x, plus 5 plus 5y equals 180. Okay, now we do some algebra. First, 4 times 5 is 20, plus 5 plus 5y equals 180. Okay, 20 plus 5 is 25. So 25 plus 5y equals 180. Subtract 25 off both sides. Okay, so 5y equals 165. Oh, I'm sorry, I made a mistake. 155. Okay, and then if we divide both sides by 5, I'm just going to move it up here. So if we divide both sides by 5, we're going to have that y, sorry, y is equal to 31. Okay? Alright, so that's alternate interior angles and same-side interior angles. That's all the time we have for the math office today. I'm going to finish my lunch, and I will see you again soon.